This is Rookie Call Rain that's been calling me out on Twitter every day, every single day. But you know what? I'm going to answer that challenge. I'm going to be facing Rain one-on-one today. I will accept this challenge, and I'm going to go over there and beat the living crap out of him. And I'm going to win that match. And then, after I'm done with that rookie, I'm going to go on January 24th, next week actually. I'm going to go in to the Royal Rumble match, win the Royal Rumble match, go on to TNW Sacrifice in March, and then win back my TNW World Heavyweight Championship and become a 7-time TNW World Champion. So yeah, after I defeat Ray, I'm going to go ahead, win the Royal Rumble match, go ahead after that, go to Sacrifice, win back my world title. I don't care who will be the World Heavyweight Champion at that time, but I'll go back and win my world title. But Rain, we want to see what you got. This is going to be your first match at TNW. We're going to see what you got, boy. We're going to see what you got for sure for this match. Me and you, one-on-one, tonight. Prepare for an ass whooping. Prepare for this match. Prepare to lose, pretty much. Me and you, one-on-one, rookie. We want to see what you got.
Chris versus Rain. New wrestler.
I don't know what that was. Did you tap out, David? Tap out. Oh, he's hitting the ball.
One. So,
Don't come over here.
Samoan drop.
My feet are so cold. What was that?
For 1, 2, kick out.
Don't spring.
Suplex.
Yo, that's crazy. Oh shit.
Breaker suplex.
Gretchen, stop.
Stealing,
I guess they're playing in a ring. This is raw fighting. This is straight. Oh!
Stunner or the raindrop, he calls that. Pin 1, 2, kick out.
This is called the raindrop, for real.
Raindrop again.
RKO. Need some water. Water break.
Pin,
Are we ready?
Pin 1,
Tapping out? I'm lost.
2, kick out.
Are you ready? Get up. Don't.
Super kick.
Better I'll come over here and run scratch.
There you go.
I bet the water's so cold. Water break.
German suplex.
I'm rolling, dude. Come on. David, get up. Water break.
German suplex again.
Get up. Wait, you gotta let him get up. You gotta let him get up. Oh, get
Oh.
No more, Gretchen.
He's hydrated.
Oh, catch his stomach.
Alright, we'll make the little trampoline a little wet.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
And traps him.
Slip, David.
Walls of Jericho.
He slipped.
Oh, walls of Jericho.
Water break! Why y'all not freezing, dude?
Tap out. No.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. David, let him go. I'm gonna keep on going. Exactly. Well, that's not fun. Need some? They are soaked. That's the beauty of the outdoors. Right, Nathaniel. Nathaniel, what?
Okay.
Go, David.
Oh, in the clothesline. Splash.
Yeah, that'd be so good.
Hey, bro, this is a match for my nigga.
That's the beauty of having freaking water on your trampoline. Look what, you gotta shoot him dead in his eyes. Look. Can you see the water?
Mm-hmm. So, what's the point of all of it?
He's
Time to
so
count.
Count to what?
Time. Like count 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. I'm cracking myself up right now. I got the power of the water. What's it called? The raindrop. Raindrop. Look, listen.
Oh, wow.
Dude, you're supposed to be recording it.
Of course
What are
I
you
am. I'm
doing?
paying attention, yes.
Yeah, you're recording.